She's on the phone right now. But, so let me tell you really fast. So, we're at this place, this barbecue place, and it's like really patriotic in here or whatever. They have like a whole bunch of military stuff. And at 12 o'clock, they had everybody stop and do the national anthem. And I'm just like, alright guys, so we are back. She has her little suitcase right here. We just went by her house and just got some stuff. And
the hotel.
We booked a hotel
Down the street from my house.
down the street from her house. So we're about to go to Target. I left my fucking makeup at home. I'm very pissed internally. Money is being spent.
We ain't even do shit.
We haven't done a fucking thing yet, and I already paid money to fly here when I could have just drove. But alright y'all, so we just left the hotel. Basically right now we're trying to figure out where we're gonna go to go eat, drink a little bit, and yeah, so we're just on the way back into town, and I'll see you guys whenever we get there. Basically right now we are on the way to Cuba Libre. Look how cute she looks. I'm gonna leave her tag right here if y'all want to follow her on Instagram.
I deactivated it.
Oh, never mind. Y'all, this is the second baby toy we found so far. I can't. Yeah. Here, I won't get people. Hey. Okay, so these are her rolls.
Her tits.
Hey. And I got a margarita because I'm a basic bitch. So.
I'm excited.
6:41. Look how it looks outside. That's how everything looks.
You gotta show them, like, when you're off the week, you gotta like go up and show like a couple times a month in DC, you know, or Baltimore, like in the area.
Yeah.
Just so I can like get out, because it's like a great area to live in.
Thank you. Sure. Thank you.
They ain't probably charging all this money for this shit.
Right.
This is trifling.
How do you feel?
Ooh, you know.
All right, good morning. So last night I could not, y'all, I did not record. Basically we went down this strip of like clubs, and I don't know, what do you rate last night out of 10? 4. 4. So pretty sure y'all probably didn't want to watch that, so it's okay. Okay, so I am really bad at this vlogging thing. I'm trying to get better. I'm probably gonna cut that part out. But right now we're in the Uber and we're on the way to get some Indian food because that's the vibe right now. And then after that, we're probably gonna look at like a museum or something. And yeah. So I got tikka masala, chicken, chickpeas, and some rice. And then India got she got pizza. Oh shoot.
Look right there. You can just like
double fisted water and juice. We're on the way to the Smithsonian. We're going to the nature one because that's the one that's closest to where we are. And literally every single last person that's on the street keeps hitting on us. So I think that we gotta stick together. We're just gonna start telling people together because this shit is not gonna work. But yeah. All right, so we tried to get into the museum, but it's like a line outside that's probably gonna be way too long for us to get into the museum. It's probably gonna, it's really long. I can show you guys. So the line is right there, and we're just not gonna do that. So we're just gonna walk, I guess, until India feels better because she has bug bites or something. Hopefully we'll find something else to do. She wants to go to a bar.
When don't I want to go to a bar?
I was trying to zoom in on you. She wants to go to a bar, so whatever. I should wear tennis shoes.
I told you that.
I know. It's all good.
Your feet hurt? Help divert water, but it's just one of the many instances that required improvisation.
Okay, so we decided to come to the African American Museum. So, yeah,